Hello my friends, and welcome to my segment of Pouring from Coast to Coast. For those of you who may be new to my channel, my name is Chris Jessic. I've been pouring for probably over 5 years now, but I've been an artist of different type for most of my adult life. I often like to embellish my pour paintings, and I have several embellishment videos. If you're interested, just check the playlist up above. Today I'm going to be doing a simple swipe and with jungle colors, because I'm thinking of perhaps painting a big cat on it, although I'm not opposed to leaving pours alone if I like them a lot. So today I'm using Liquitex Basic Fluid paints. I'm really hooked on these recently. I'll put the exact colors and recipes down below, but I'm using raw Sienna, raw Umber. I am using a Treasure Gold gifted to me by one of my subscribers in green gold, gold, and then I've got, what is this? This is raw Umber with gold and white for a lighter shade of, or actually darker shade of the gold, but with some shimmer to it. Then I did a mix of hooker's green with black to come up with a nice, wonderful deep forest green. And then lastly, I took a little of all of those colors, mixed them together, and added white for a nice neutral green. And then I will be swiping with Australian Floetrol and white by Amsterdam. All of these the colors are just mixed with American Floetrol. And I will again put all the details down below in the description box, exact colors and ratios used. Did I just say that? Sorry. Okay. My idea is just to kind of pour them out in little puddles, and then I'm going to give one swipe across and tilt. So here we go. I hope I have enough paint. This is my second go at this. The first go was not to my liking, so I mean, I liked parts of it, but it wasn't video worthy. I really like this dark. Alrighty, now this beautiful Treasure Gold. And back to the Liquitex Fluid paints, gold. The forest green. This is the combo of all of the colors. I hope I have enough. And this is the gold combo. trying to pour kind of in a square, so when I tilt it, won't have to, I'll have an equal distance to go to try to cover the canvas. I hope this is enough paint. But we shall see. I think it will be. All right, now I'm going to move it around, and I'm not going to worry about the sides. I will probably paint them a solid color or even sponge on a variety of color on there. Kind of something I like to do. I do need to get to these sides because when I swipe down, I don't want bare canvas on the side. I think up here I'll be putting the white, and down here I'll be dragging paint, so that's not as important. Although I'm going to be tilting after I swipe anyway, so. Okay, whoops, my gloved hand was stuck on the tack there. Okay, it's like camouflage. Funny. Okay. I think I need to do a little better coverage there, though. Let's see, where's a palette knife? That doesn't look very pretty, but this is not going to matter. Okay. And here we go. Where is my swipe thing? Oh, there it is. It's clear. I couldn't see it. And there we go. I said this is the Australian Floetrol, thanks to a wonderful viewer of mine. And I also need to thank another viewer, Julia Lee, for her generous donation to my tip jar. Thank you, Julia. Okay. Here we go. I've got this piece of plastic I'm going to swipe with. It just came off a box of some kind, I think. And here we go. Slow and steady. I'm going to grab as much of that as I can. There we go. Do your magic. Please. Yeah. Okay, I always kind of hold my breath when I do a swipe. Alrighty. It's looking good. Now I'm gonna tilt that way, get rid of that white stripe for the most part, and side to side to get some movement in here and enlarge this pretty lacing that's going on. Let's see, maybe I'll do this first. Got a funny spot right there. There we go. And I've got a funny spot over on the other side too. But look at that. So I'm sending the weight of the paint over to the area I need to tilt. I don't want to lose that dark though where it's going. I really like the looks of that, but just that one little section needs help. Come back. Get rid of that pointy area right there. There we go. And now, oops, that pointy area is challenging me. I may have to make that go away. That one funny shape, I don't like it. Goodbye. Okay. And it's back. And one more bit of white. Maybe I'll come down here. And over here, just want to get rid of that white section. And maybe that gold. I don't love that color. And that away. Ooh. Okay. Now just size it all up. Yeah, those edges are a little funny. I don't know. After it all drips down, I'll decide, but I will probably paint them burnt umber and then maybe sponge some gold on there. Okay. Oh, I'm happy with that. That's pretty much the look I was hoping to get. Lots of cool lacing and movement in there. Because of the colors used, there's some real dimensional looking going on there. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Oh, I tell you, that Australian Floetrol was amazing. Thank you again, Maria. And the treasure gold. Thank you, Gila. There, that green color. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's kind of changed color in through the camera here, but oh man, that is pretty. Yeah, I think it's a winner. I might just leave it alone. Call it Jungle Vibes. Okay, my friends. Thank you for watching. And Maida was not able to join us this week, so we're going to head back to the East Coast, and Garrick will be winding things up. I'll link all the videos down below in the description box if you missed them. And look forward to seeing you next time. Bye now.